Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, today I'm starting a new series on Seaborn library of Python. Seaborn library we use to display data in bar format, scatter format, in line format, histogram formats. So just we visualize the data and we do analysis on data, and this Seaborn library is very famous for data science also. And in this video I'm going to use this Seaborn library using Python programming language, and I will show you how you can display line plot by using this Seaborn library. One by one we understand the code and we learn how we can use it. So first line here we have import Seaborn as SNS. So this is the library and we are using this library as a name of SNS, means that is the object of this library as the object, and we want to use the meta matplotlib library also, but not the all library. We want to use the pyplot library from the matplotlib library, and we are using this pyplot as a PLT. So these PLT and SNS is the object name. You can give any name to them, but this that is a standard, means all the application we always try to use these kind of object, but you can use any other also as per your choice, but you can't change this part, that is fixed, and you can't change this part also, that is also fixed, because you have to import pyplot library from matplotlib library and the object name is PLT. Now by using SNS object we are loading the data set. Data set name is fMRI. This data set is inbuilt in Seaborn library. So we are using this data set to analyze the data in a line plot format. So as we have created the object, if I run this line, so it will create all the object. If I run this line will display the head. Head means the top 5 record from the dataset fMRI. So this dataset having these field of data. We have the ID, we have subject, time point, event, reason and signal. Now, so I want to display this particular data in line format. So first of all we have to decide what is the x and what is the y, because you know that whenever we display line, then we always have the x and y coordinates. So what value would be for x and what value would be for y? You see here in this line we are using the function line plot. So SNS is the Seaborn library object and we using the line plot function. This function will have here 3 parameters. First parameter is the x coordinates. So x coordinates, here I am giving the time points. This would be the x coordinates, and signal would be the y coordinates. This signal is the y coordinates. You can take anyone, whatever you want. Just for example I am taking this, and data set is FRMRI, this one FRMRI. You can give any name, but we are just correlating the data, and then by using the PLT we are showing the information. If I run this, you will see, I run this one, you see the line is plotted. Clear? So this line is time point is x coordinates and signals are y coordinates. So on the basis of signal and time point coordinates of x and y, this line has been drawn. Just simple one line of code, we have shown the information of this particular line. Now if I want to analyze this data, I want to analyze this data line on the basis of some other field like this reason. I want to find out the reason also on this line. So what I will do, just I have to change the code, same code here, till this. Now we will use hue. Hue is just the field on which you will analyze the data on this line. So we are giving the one more column reason. You see the one column is here reason. So on the basis of reason we are checking the value of this particular x and y coordinates. And marker is true. Marker means we want to show some mark also where we this particular point match. And now again I run it, you will see just coming. Now you see that the reason is two type, parietal and frontal. So by using this, you see the line is drawn. Two lines we have drawn on the basis of signal and time point, but we have see the reason also, the hue field by which we analyze the lines. You see two lines are there, and what is the changes on the basis of x and y coordinates, it has been shown here. And mark is also there. This is a line of mark, this we have shown here. So this is the one. Now one more, if you want to add some styles also. Styles means the change of colors. So if I give here the style reason, hue is also reason and style is also reason. Remember this, these two fields should be same, because we are analyzing data on the basis of reason and we are showing or displaying the data in colorful format on the basis of reason also. If I run this code now, you will see the same data in different format with some marking. You see styles, you see. So frontal is in just like a cross and circle is just parietal. So they have shown the marking of on the basis of x and y coordinate of time and signal. So you see just a simple one function line plot, by giving some different parameters and arguments in this function, we are able to get different kind of result by using Seaborn library. So that's all in this video. To understand the Seaborn library to display line plot, analyzing your data. Thank you for watching this video.